Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5. The local time here is just after 10:30 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls for eligible safety services on your handheld electronic devices. When it's safe to leave your seats, take care when opening the overhead lockers as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you. Remember that smoking is not allowed until you've reached a designated area. If your journey ends here at Heathrow or leaving the aircraft, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. If you're connecting onto another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screens for your departing gate number. If it's not yet displayed, please follow the purple signs to all terminals A gates. Customers who use the British Airways mobile app receive connecting gate information and boarding notifications if you have your device switched on. You can also connect using the free Wi-Fi offered by Heathrow Airport. All of the British Airways and Boeing Airlines would like to welcome home our customers who live here in London and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. It's been our pleasure to serve you and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Thank you and good morning.